Let's now focus on a key topic for the future of your application, the conversion. If you have been using 40 for a while, you know that each new release brings new features and improvements. But upgrading is not just clicking a button. It's a real project that can have a direct impact on the stability, security, and the performance of your solution. That is where 40 professional services can help by guiding you step by step. Our goal, what is our conversion service? Our goal is pretty simple, to help you move to the latest version of 40 smoothly and safely. We offer two approaches: a regular conversion to update your application while ensuring full compatibility, or an advanced conversion to go further by removing the technical debt accumulated over the years and improving performance by taking advantage of the latest 40 feature. Why is it important to keep your 40 application up to date? Because upgrades bring more than just new feature. It brings also stability and security to reduce the risk of bugs or vulnerabilities, compatibility to stay aligned with OS, operating systems, and hardware changes, technical support, you benefit from 40 support, and avoid issues with outdated version, but also advanced feature to offer a better experience to your user with modern tools, and performance to take advantage of 40's improvement like preemptive mode, multi-threading processing to increase responsiveness and efficiency. A quick tip: many customers wait until there is a problem before upgrading, but the best time to convert is before it becomes urgent. If everything is fine in your application, then this is the perfect time to anticipate and do the necessary maintenance work in peace. So now, all 40 versions can be converted, but of course, some require more care. Our experts, some with over 30 years of 40 experience, knows how to navigate these legacy architectures and help you move forward safely. Each version of 40 introduces major changes, from the new network layer in V15 to the preemptive and multi-threading in V16, or the beginning of ORDA and collection and object in V17, the project mode in V18, or the compatibility with native silicon in V19, and many more on V20. Over the past decade, our studies have shown that many of them have been updated only just in-house to keep working. But sooner or later, this minimal approach creates risks. At 40, backward compatibility is at the heart of our priorities. We facilitate updates by ensuring that existing applications are running smoothly, while gradually introducing compatibility options, such as Unicode mode, object notation, or the network layer. Compatibility options help, but they are temporary and can affect performance. We help you plan a proper upgrade with long-term benefits. We offer two main approaches to manage a conversion. The first one is a planned project. We handle and structure the project from start to finish, following a clear methodology, or with what we call time and material, meaning one of our developers joins your team to work directly and transfer skills to strengthen the autonomy of the developers. This approach is more than support. It's an investment in your future. So now, the first step is the conversion audit. This is a detailed and personalized analysis of your application to identify potential risks and prepare the upgrade properly. We look at database structure, tables, fields, relationship, missing primary keys, but also we do a code review to check the outdated comments, variable management, and more. The project mode to share with you the benefits, the error, and warning to address. The naming convention for table, fields, method, form, object. And finally, the plugins and components to identify how outdated or unused elements. Throughout this comprehensive assessment, we provide you with a clear view of the status of your application and the actions required to successfully convert. If you prefer an advanced conversion, we go further with an analysis of typical usage client-server logs and with 40 info report generated data. We proceed also a deeper code review to recommend efficiency and performance improvements. At the end of the audit, you receive a full report on your application listing the essential steps to upgrade your application and a step-by-step action plan to clear your technical debt if you choose the advanced conversion. And finally, a project estimate along with a 40 offer tailored to your needs. Now, the question is, how does a conversion project work with us? After a first meeting with you to identify the needs, we can recommend a regular conversion or an advanced one, depending on the use and care of your 40 application. There are two phases. First one, the setup, preparation. We start with a confidentiality agreement, securely collect your application file, and validate the audit scope. The audit starts, and our expert and project manager review your app, and then we share results and detailed plan and an estimate. Once our offer is approved, and if it's approved, the project is scheduled and ready to begin. So we start the execution phase with the conversion. We launch the project with a kickoff meeting. Development begins under close supervision with regular progress updates. Then the testing. We deliver a first version to start the testing phase, and then intermediate version fixes bug, and we validate final version with a delivery certificate. The final version is deployed in a pre-production environment, and real-world tests are done, and final adjustments are made with the team. The assistance for the production deployment is optional. We help you to go live if needed with deployment, final support, and post-launch fixes. You are supported the whole time by our experts and a dedicated project manager. So, in summary, if you want to move to the latest version of 40 without any risk and take full advantage of everything 40 offers, we are here to help. We have handled hundreds of conversions, and we know the common trap and how to avoid them. And I will be happy to share, and we will be happy to share our expertise with you and your team. So do not hesitate to download the flyer and get a little bit spoiled. So yeah, everything is okay. Thank you very much.